It all started with a phrase on LinkedIn, and serendipity became a topic of conversation. The Google document I'm referencing, you can go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com and get a copy there. The topic talks about creating spaces for spontaneity. That means have a place that people can do the conversation that creates great ideas. If you build a culture of openness and collaboration, look at your workspace. Is it set up so that users can interact with one another, or is everybody in their own little world of don't talk to me, I'm busy? Leveraging that technology to facilitate unexpected connections. You can even use collaborative software like Google Docs. I use that for this podcast so that you can have a document to reference.
Hey everyone, it's great to have you here today. Ever had a conversation that completely changed your perspective? The kind of unexpected chat that sparks ideas you never saw coming? Today, I want to dive into how these serendipitous conversations can be a game changer for innovation and growth. Imagine this. You're at a networking event, casually chatting with someone over coffee. Suddenly a random topic comes up and boom, you're hit with a fresh perspective or a brilliant idea. That's the magic of serendipity. When we talk about business growth, we often focus on strategy, data, and planning. But let me tell you, sometimes the most transformative ideas come from the least expected places. These spontaneous interactions can open doors you didn't even know existed. Think about it. Steve Jobs once said that creativity is just connecting things. The more connections you make, the more creative you become. And what better way to make connections than through conversations? Now, you might be wondering how to create these serendipitous moments. The key is to be open and curious. Don't just stick to your circle. Venture out and talk to people from different industries, backgrounds, and perspectives. One of my favorite tactics is to attend events outside my usual scope. You never know who you might meet or what you might learn. For instance, I once struck up a conversation with an artist at a tech conference. That chat led to a breakthrough idea for a marketing campaign that skyrocketed our brand engagement. Another tip is to foster a culture of open communication within your own team. Encourage brainstorming sessions, casual meetups, and cross-departmental mingling. Sometimes the best ideas come from the most unexpected team members. So, next time you find yourself in a random conversation, embrace it. You never know where it might lead. It could be the spark that fuels your next big innovation. Stay curious, stay open, and keep those conversations flowing. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on driving growth and innovation. Until next time, keep pushing those boundaries.
Why do 80% of YouTube viewers miss out on amazing content? Don't be one of them. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new episode from Guy R. Cook. Got questions or feedback? Reach out to me using the secure contact form on theguyrcookreport.com. It's quick, easy, and safe. Join our growing community, stay in the loop, and be the first to know about our latest videos. So what are you waiting for? Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's keep the good times rolling. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.